Welcome back, dear students, to my tutorial class on MS Excel. Well, this is the continuation class on MS Excel. That is, today we are going to learn about charts. That is on chapter 17. Well, I believe that you have already gone through my two videos which were uploaded earlier on MS Excel. If you have not gone through, I request you to watch my first and the second videos, that is on MS Excel, and this is the third video on MS Excel, that is the charts. In chapter 17 you will find. So without any further delay, let's begin with this chapter. Now, to understand in introduction part, what is a chart? In simple term, we can understand here a chart is a graphical representation of numbers, right? We can understand here a chart is a graphical representation of numbers. It is a pictorial representation of data in a beautiful form. It is a pictorial representation of data in a beautiful form. So in simple term, we can understand here a chart is a graphical representation of numbers. It is a pictorial representation of data in a beautiful form. Got it? Let's go back here. The components of chart. Now we will find here there are 10 components of chart. Okay, there are 10 components of chart. So we will try to study one after another. Okay, the first components of chart is x-axis. This is the horizontal axis. Okay, and likewise y-axis, this is the vertical axis. And then the third component, data series. So data series is a set of values with which a chart is plotted. Okay, likewise chart area. The total region surrounding the chart is called chart area. Good. Next is the plot area. The part in which data is plotted is called plot area. Okay. The 6 components of chart is the chart title. Chart title. What is it? The chart title is written on the top of chart. It helps the user in identifying the chart. Okay. 7 axis titles. These are the titles given to three axes, that is x, y and z axis. Got? Legend. What is it? Legend. The portion to the right of the plot is legend. It identifies each data series. It assigns colors, patterns or symbols to the data series. Good. Now the next components is the grid lines. Okay, these lines are the both horizontal and vertical lines in the plot area. Okay, these lines are inserted in the charts to identify the value of each data point in the chart easily. Got? Now the last components is the data level. This is the level which provides additional information about the marker, the last components. So these are the 10 components of charts. Okay, now we have the different types of charts. So altogether there are 10 different types of charts. So here we will try to study one after another the 10 different types of chart. First we will study the column chart. What is it? The column chart. Column chart. This type of chart allows change over a given period of time. It is useful for comparison purpose. It compares values across categories. Okay, about the column chart. This is the column chart. this is the example, one example I've given here, a column chart. Okay, example of column chart. Here the first one, what we can see here, the sales product. This is the chart title that we have learned in the chart title. What the components, in the components we have learned what are the chart title. It helps the user to identify the chart name, right? So sales product, this sales product is the chart. This sales product is the what chart title. Okay, and then this part, as you can see here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, these numbers, these are vertical axis. Okay, vertical axis. And here you can see here this part, category 1 2 3 4, these are horizontal axis. Okay, and then on the last one here you can see series 1, series 2, series 3. This part is the legend, in the legend chart. Okay, now we can see the second type of chart. The second type of chart is the bar chart. What is it? Bar chart. Bar chart illustrates comparisons among individual items. In this type, categories are organized vertically and values horizontally. So in this type, what we can see, categories are organized vertically and values horizontally in bar chart. Means here, this is the example of the bar chart. As we can see here, the chart sales product. This is the title of the chart, and as we can see this part, the category 4, category 3, category 2, category 1, this is the vertical axis. Okay, vertical axis. And as we can see this downside, this part 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the horizontal axis, right? Horizontal axis. And then the bottom one, we can see this one, series 3, series 2, series 1. This is the legend and the bar chart. Okay, so this is done. Next we can see here the pie chart. The fourth types of chart is the pie chart. Pie chart shows proportional size of items which makes up a data series to the sum of items. A pie chart takes a circular shape. Okay, circular shape, as you can see here, the circular shape. The circular shape is divided in different data sectors. So as you can see here, the pie chart, okay, divided in different sectors, 1 2 3, and then the another one is here 4, right? In 4 sectors it is divided. So as you can see here, the category 1 2 3 4, okay, as you can see here, this one also. And then sales product, as you can see, this sales product, chart title, right? So this is the pie chart. Okay, next, the fifth type of chart is XY scatter. Okay, XY scatter, what is it? This chart shows relationships among numeric values in several data series. It compares pairs of values. Okay, XY chart is also called scatter chart, since it is mostly used without any lines connecting the data marker. So as you can see here, the examples of the one the example of XY scatter chart. Okay, so as you can see here. Okay, next type of chart we can see here, the area chart. The area chart. Okay, this chart displays the trends of the contribution of each value over time or categories. In simple words, it displays the magnitude of change over time. Okay, so this is the area chart. The area chart that we can see here, example, the area chart. Got it? Next type of chart, the seventh type of chart we can see here, a Dotnet chart. We can call this is a Dotnet chart. Dotnet charts shows the relationship like a pie chart. Okay, but it can contain more than one data series. Each data series is represented by a circular ring. It is somewhat like a pie chart. This Dotnet chart. Got the Dotnet chart? Yes or no? Each data series is represented by a circular ring. A circular ring. Can you see there? Circular ring. 4 rings are there, right? 1 ring, 2 ring, 3 ring, and 4 ring. Right? So this is the Dotnet chart. Okay, next type of chart we can see is a radar chart. Okay, in radar chart, each category has its own value axis generating from the center point. Lines connect the values in the same series. So the example of the radar chart we can see here. The example of the radar chart. Got it? The ninth type of chart we can see here is the surface chart. This chart shows trends in values across 2 dimensions in a continuous curve. Okay, in a continuous curve. Example of surface chart. Now the 10th different type of chart is bubble chart. Okay, bubble chart compares set of 3 values like a scatter chart, with the third value displayed as the size of the bubble market. Okay, so example of bubble chart, example as you can see here. So this is all about the different types of 10 different types of chart. Got it? 10 different types of chart. Now how to go on with this hands-on experience, that is how to deal on one after another, how to compare the data, how to change all this data. I'll show you here step by step process. Okay, last time we have done with this a result sheet, right? So I'm again requesting you, if you have not watched the first and second video, I request you to watch my first and second video. Then only you will understand this about this result sheet data entry. In my first and second video, I have explained here how to enter the data. Okay, how to enter this how to enter how to enter this data, and then how to calculate this total, how to calculate this total, percentage, minimum, all this, and then resolve how to calculate this using formulas, functions in Excel. So I have explained here, so I request you to watch my first and second video, then only you will understand these things. Okay, now I'll not here explain much on this, because I have already explained and we have already learned about how to find this total, percentage, maximum, minimum, result of all. We have done this one. Now I will explain you how to convert this data into a chart now. Okay, how to convert this data into chart. So to convert this data into chart, just you need to click the data and then just highlight this like this, and after highlighting or after selecting this data, now you just need to go to the insert tab, click the insert tab. Now here on the chart here, I'll just make a zoom here. So right, you can see here, right? I hope you can see here, you're right. Yeah, yes, I'm just zooming. Okay, yeah, I hope you can see here chart, right? Recommended chart. So these are the different charts that we find in Excel, that just now we have learned the 10 different types of chart. So any of the charts you can go and convert this data into any of the chart. Okay, so let's practice one of this just recommended chart. As we'll just click here, and then you can see, I'll just zoom this part also, this all chart. You can see this all chart. Yeah, you just need to click this all chart. Okay, all chart, just click there, and after as you click there, I will just zoom it. Yeah, this, see all this chart we can find here. What we have learned, all these charts are appeared here, right? So accordingly we need to just click one after another the chart here. Okay, just let's click this column 1, and then this column, and then we will just click this column, and then after that just okay, and then your chart is here. Got our column chart is here. Okay, this is our column chart. Now this, see chart title, see as I point this one chart title, it appears here. Just click there. Okay, just what we need to do, just click here. Yeah, chart title. Now you can just rename it. Say example class 9 result. Okay, so see chart title, this is chart title. We can see as I point the mouse pointer, you can see, I'll just zoom it, see chart title, you can see this one. Now it's chart title. Got the chart title is class 9 result. Okay, now as I point this one, see vertical axis, as I'll just zoom this part also. Yeah, this part, sorry, this part, no, yeah, this part. Okay, this is our vertical axis. Okay, vertical axis, this is vertical axis, and here sorry, wait, yeah, here as you can just point this mouse pointer like this legend. Can you see this legend? Yeah, this is the legend of the chart. Okay, I'll just zoom it. Yeah, see legend, right? Legend, and then just if you can just point this one like this, and chart area. So this is the chart area. Okay, with the name, different students name, with the different the chart that we can, column chart that we can find here, right? So this is how we can just simply convert that data into chart. So if you want to go with the next type of chart, just simply you can click here. I'll just zoom and show you. Yeah, change chart type. Just you need to click the, just click the change chart type, just need to click here, okay, in order to change the type. Or just let's try changing the another type of chart. Say let's click this time line, okay, line, okay. After this one, just let's click line and then okay. And now your chart is, this one is your line chart. Got it? Line chart, right? Now from here you can just again, just if you want to check, just check different one. Say example this time bar, okay, say bar, say example this one, and then you can just check like this, bar chart, right, bar chart. So this is how we can convert the data into chart, into different types of charts that you liked. I hope you have learned about Excel. So thank you for watching this video, and then in my next video I will try to start with the different with MS Word, the MS Word chapter. I will upload the videos on MS Word chapter in my next video. So once again, thank you very much, thank you so much for watching my videos.